Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, can you click on the subscribe button, and if you're an existing subscriber, thank you for coming back into this video. Let me show you what a 3-bedroom and a 2.5 brat house looks like in Winnipeg. So I'm going to leave my voiceover for you to view it yourself. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Bye bye. See you later at the end of the video. This is a walk-in closet. This is the master bedroom washroom. This is the master bedroom. And these are the other washroom. The corridor. And this is the bedroom one with the closet. Check it very well. It's quite big, so this is the other room. With its closet. And this is the half washroom.
That's right.
Yeah. I like the interior, like this open space dining.
Yeah, and then it's separate from your living space,
yeah.
right? So if you want to do some entertaining up here, have your dining, eating space, and then
Yeah.
I like that.
It's so nice. I really love the concept. I called my friend to come check it out. They are really looking for somewhere to buy too. So I called her too. She needs to check this unit out.
Especially with these condos, like having the big French windows like that. You don't really see that in these kind of condos, right?
Are they gonna leave those curtains with it?
Sorry, the curtains are negotiable.
Oh.
It's not included, but if they wanted it, I'm sure we can make it work. Yeah.
This is the fridge.
Yeah, the appliances are included. So.
Yeah, and they're all Samsung.
Yeah, that's right. So good brand.
And these are the, like,
And just your cabinetry. Yeah,
there's no
and
walk-in
soft clothes as well.
pantry or something. It's just a
No
store.
pantry space. Yeah.
Yeah. It's really a nice one.
And I like this space too, like this little breakfast stop space.
Yeah.
Right? If you have your guests and you put some island chairs here, right? And yeah.
Can I check the basement, sir?
Yeah, of course. It's unfinished, but yeah, take it easy.
I love this. Oh, this is the garage.
Did you have any questions before you take off already?